This is Anna, and this is Check It at the Round Table. We discuss movies, books, music, and stuff. Today, we are discussing the unboxing of the USB sleeping eye mask. I ordered this about 2.5 to 3 weeks ago via eBay. I will drop a link in the description. The reason being is traveling in Asia has proven a couple of things. One is it gets humid where I'm from in the States, but the humidity here is different, and even if it's only like 30 degrees Celsius, it can be very muggy. So the thing I've noticed is I've never really had trouble sleeping before, but this summer has been difficult because it's like you just wake up in the middle of the night and it's muggy and sticky and all that. So I'm trying to do things that help to eliminate that kind of angsty feeling that develops. One of the things that I found to be very helpful is when I was in Taiwan, they had wonderful heated, which sounds weird because you're going, why would you want to put a heated face mask on when it's already hot outside? But I know it sounds strange, but it does work. They had heated disposable face masks that they made there through the Poya company, and they also had some that were made and shipped in from Japan. However, you can't really get those like in other Asian countries. I have tried. So what I'm trying to do is I went online and I was like, you know what? I really don't want to drop ship them from Japan because that is expensive, and I think I can do better. So what I found was this little number. This is a USB mask kit. So this is a little spray bottle that you can fill with water, and then you can spritz your mask when it's heated to give you kind of an aromatherapy moment. So this is the actual mask right here. Okay, I looked at several different options, but I really liked this one because it covers all your eyes like this. And it's adjustable, which is kind of convenient. It's also very thick in padding, so it's kind of a nice size. This one has the heated pad in it right now. I'm going to pull the pad out so you guys can see. So this is the heated pad. I'm sorry, my hair's wrecked now. So this is the heated pad. It has the cord here. This is the USB cord. You can plug it into like so, and it has a handy, you can put this into a plug, and it has a nice little timer here with the Celsius that you want it at, and then it gives you, like, you can go 36, 40, 43, 46, 50 degrees Celsius on this side with this button. This button here will do 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes. So it's on a timer. It's not going to be going all night long. In addition to the heat pad, we also have the cool pack. These are wonderful too. So I've noticed that in the very, very hot weather, I've been getting some like sinus headaches because of just the heat. It's not because of the air being bad or anything. But this is very nice if you're dealing with a headache. You can actually just put it in your mask and keep your mascara on your forehead while you're doing teacherly notes or watching the next Asian BL drama series, whatever trips your trigger. But this is very convenient, and it's much cheaper overall. Like, I spent about $15 on this mask in USD equivalent, and I really got like 3 masks in one because I got the cooling gel pack, I got the heat pack, I also got, this is the lavender aromatherapy treatment. So it's literally filled with lavender. It smells amazing. And so what you do with this is you do not use the lavender with the full pack. That would be kind of weird. So you put the aromatherapy in with your hot pack. You slide it into the mask. Make sure the cord goes in the corner with the cord hole, of course. Okay. So this is now my aromatherapy mask, which I can heat up. It will smell like lavender this evening. It also comes with this cute little cloth bag that you can fold it in half and put it in to travel with. And it comes with a set of earplugs for those nights when the dogs are barking, which doesn't happen here, but yeah. So this is the USB sleeping eye mask. There were several available on eBay. I'm sure there are some on Amazon, but I haven't checked there. The reason I particularly got this one was, number one, it was a good price. It was like 15 USD equivalent. Number two, I really liked how it had the kind of silky smooth cover, and also how you got basically 3 masks in one for that price. I'm hoping it works well. I don't know, we will see. But overall, I'm very happy with it. It arrived way sooner than it said it would. They said it would be here in like 3 weeks, and it arrived in literally like, no, they said it would be here in a month and a half, and it arrived in like 2.5 weeks. So overall, the other thing I really like is the cord is super long on this deal. So you can adjust it however you like. But yes. So that is my review of the USB portion plug-inable mask, and hopefully this will help me sleep better. I don't know, I have a dream. I'm like, I really hate getting up at 3 a.m. in the morning. I'm going, if this can keep me in my rhythmic REM sleep, I will be a very happy woman. So we'll see about that. But that's my review. Check it at the round table. Bye!